on, everybody? Welcome back, man, to the channel. If you're new, be sure to subscribe, and if you're not subscribed, you're an idiot. Get subscribed. Doing a different video today for you guys. You guys see my hands, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna talk with my hands in this video, but we are about to hit the streets, giving you guys this POV of how it is from my perspective, you know what I'm saying, inside the cockpit, inside this turbo Mustang. So we about to just start it up, ride around. I don't know where I'm going. I'm about to just ride, and whatever the wind take me, that's where I'm going. So you know, hopefully we'll find some unexpected you know, Hellcats or a Z06 or something. I don't know. It's a little chilly outside, so you know, most of the cars are put up. But who knows? Let's see what's up. You know, before we do start though, make sure you guys check out the website, marsracing.com, shopmarsracing.com. I got t-shirts on there, baseball tee, got that 3/4 sleeve right there, hoodies. About time for that hoodie weather. You know what I'm saying? So go check it out, man. Check it out, see what you like, and yeah, we're gonna keep everything going. So let's start this thing up. Almost ain't start. Let's get it. I'm gonna run up here to Circle K real quick, grab a little 93. Let's see where the world takes us. I might have to throw this hoodie on. It's cold as shit. This is my favorite wall right here. You get some pretty decent sounds on that wall. And drop it in the sport mode real quick. Digital dash gonna change up a little bit. That was about a quarter throttle, 93. One of these at night too. I want to do a night POV. Let me know if y'all want to see that, man. Like a nighttime POV. That's kind of more when the cars are out because everybody's off work. So that nighttime POV, it's just different, man. You know, it's dark outside. You got the lights hitting nicely. I don't know, man. Let me know if you want to do it. I think I'm gonna do a nighttime, man. What y'all think? Let me know. Oh man, damn, this dude just wrecked. Of course my GoPro battery died. Oh man, dude just blew a tire and smacked that truck. Damn. Oh my God, my GoPro battery died at the wrong time. You good, buddy? Oh man, I'm glad he okay. Sheesh. Oh, he just totaled that BMW. You good, buddy? You all right, man? Damn, truck ain't even got no damage on it. Whoa, fuck. Who knows what else I might see? Or I might not even see it. I don't even know. What? I don't know if that's a sign to like record more or take my ass home. What y'all think? Should I go home? Pulling up to downtown Cleveland, but it's looking like it's about to rain, man. If I see one drop, I'm gone. You talking about you want to see somebody? You want to see me weave in and out of traffic? Let a raindrop hit my windshield. If y'all can hear the turbo spooling up. They sound good though. Whee! Golly. So this East 9th, man. Brown Stadium right there for y'all that don't know. First Energy, home of the Cleveland Browns, Super Bowl bound Cleveland Browns. boy better move. Don't cut in front of me like that. They holding hands. Boy, this thing crazy. Yes, sir. My boy Dame. I might have to pull over and say what's up to him. What's Dame doing? Live on the stream on the POV. It's a celebrity. What are you doing? You work there? You still work there? Yeah. Oh. What's up, man? Live POV, you know what I'm saying?
I'm on.
Oh, yeah, you on?
Hey, underrated garage, you know. Shout out to my boy Mar, you know what I'm saying? I got something that might roll with this little thing. Then right now, though.
This too. That boy. Chill.
And new headlights.
Oh, wait, the channel ain't see it yet. Channel ain't see it yet. Channel ain't see it yet. I ain't, you know.
I'm getting exclusive.
Exclusive. Hey, come on. I gotta edit that out.
I thought you sold these wheels.
No.
I saw what you call it with what's his name? What's the dude that had the V6 swap, V8 swap? That burgundy one?
Oh, yeah. Window.
Yeah.
Window, yeah. He got some, yeah.
Damn, Mars sold them already?
Oh, yeah. I do want to sell them though. I want to get something. Everybody got them. I want something else now.
They look good on here though. They bring everything together. It's like a totally different car, no?
This is the same one. This is the same wheels on it too.
I'm just saying, since you got the wig on it.
Okay. Look at the Audi. Turn around.
All these people want to do is just go to work. What you want to do?
What you want to do?
Alright. Go ahead.
That boy Dame live. Just pulled up on him. My fault, big dog. I'm just trying to make it home, baby. I'm trying to make it home before the rain hit. Here we live, baby. Cleveland Indians right here. You know what I'm saying? This the strip, though. You come out of Cleveland, you gotta come on East 9th, West 6th. Really, all of Cleveland be jumping, man, for real. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I got 30 minutes to get home before it starts raining. I'm about to hit the whoop, whoop, whoop. And see what's up, man. Look at that Tesla. Turn around. Bring that Tesla around. What you want to do? Ain't no manual, bitch. I ain't got to do nothing over here. Just hands on the steering wheel. Or gas. I love it. What y'all think, man? Y'all think I'm gonna find some lunch or what? I need to see somebody, man, for this video. Somebody got to see me, man. What's going on? But yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and cut the video off here. Want to thank you guys for watching my first POV. Make sure you guys comment, turn the notification bell on, man. You guys don't want to miss the content I got coming up. I'm gonna try to keep it fresh. I'm gonna try to keep it new for you guys. Make sure you guys shop, pick up some merch, you know what I'm saying? Pick some merch up, shopmarsracing.com. Get you something on there. Get you some, look at this bright blue Ranger. What the hell is that? It's a bright blue Ranger, duh. But you know what I meant. Like, damn. Might plastic dip that boy. But anyway, man, yeah, check out the website. Go cop something, man. If you guys buy something, shoot me a message when it comes. You know, I love to repost you guys on my page, tag you in it, all that good stuff. So, and on that note, man, I'm signing out. I'll catch you guys later, man. Peace out.